What's up, guys? We're going to be changing an air filter today. Return grill. This one has the metal tabs. Pop it open, pull it out. Right on here it says what size the filter is. You can see this filter is dirty, 20 by 20 by 1. You want to make sure you replace it with the right size. We have it right here, 20 by 20 by 1. We're going to open it up. Recommend setting an alarm recurring on your phone so you change it every month. Airflow arrow is always going to point in. So we're going to pop it back in, put it in like so. That's it. Just that easy.